Hi, Victoria. This is Miss Bolton here. Just want to show you a thing about how to use voice typing in Google Slides. Up here on the menu underneath my name, there's a Tools word. Click on Tools, and then we're going to go down to here where there's a little microphone and click on Voice Type the speaker notes. This will give you a microphone over here. We're going to click it, and it's going to put some writing, whatever you say, down in the bottom of the screen where the speaker notes are. So let's try it. Good morning, Victoria. I am using, I'm sorry, you have to allow it. Try this again. Good morning, Victoria. This is Miss Bolton. Here's how you use the speaker notes. No, here's how you use the voice typing. Then I click on the mic to stop it. And down here in the bottom, it's really small, you can see what I wrote. So I'm going to copy it by highlighting. You know how to copy things. It's being a little tricky here. Copy it. And I'm going to click up into the slide where I don't have a text box yet. Let's put a text box here. So you're going to have to put a text box in your writing slides. Now, I've copied that, I think. No, I didn't. Let's just highlight it again. Copy, click up here. Make sure we have the blinking cursor. Now, this is what I spoke. I'm going to make this bigger. This is what I said, and this is what it recorded. Try this again. Good morning, Victoria. This is Miss Bolton. Here's how you use the speaker notes. No, here's how you use the voice typing. So obviously, it just says whatever you say, and then you have to come back and fix it. So I would take out this. I would, fix the spelling if it's not correct and edit from here. But it saves you having to click in and type all the words if you don't want to. So that's my little tip for voice typing. Now here, I'm going to go down to slide 5. I have you filling in these check boxes with the check. So all you have to do is click on the check and drag it over into the box when you're done with that part of the assignment. So the brainstorm is done. The organizing is done. Move the checkbox, red checks over into the checkbox. Okay? So thank you. I can't wait to see what you write on this assignment.